Welcome to today's episode of Anti-Aging Substance. Today, let's talk about taurine. Taurine is a kind of non-essential amino acid. In the human body, amino acids can be classified into essential and non-essential ones. Essential amino acids can be synthesized by the body and must be obtained through diet, while non-essential amino acids can be synthesized by the body. Although taurine is a non-essential amino acid, it plays a crucial role. A deficiency of taurine can lead to a retinal degeneration, chronic liver disease, muscle atrophy, decreased physical performance, and diabetic complications. Taurine is highly important, but its level decreases with age. In middle-aged mice, taurine levels decrease to 30% of those found in young individuals. In monkeys and humans, the reduction in taurine levels in elderly individuals exceeds 80%, which is a significant decline. Well, let's first talk about the anti-aging effect of taurine, and it also can extend the lifespan. Under the intervention of taurine, the median lifespan of mice has been extended by 10 to 12%, while the lifespan of roundworms has been extended by 10 to 23%. In addition to extending lifespan, taurine also significantly improves age-related unhealthy conditions in experimental animals, thereby expanding their healthy lifespan. Firstly, weight reduction. Taurine inhibits age-related weight gain in mice. It can effectively reduce the weight gained due to aging by 10%. Furthermore, the proportion of fat weight significantly decreases. This may be attributed to improved glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity. Apart from that, it can also increase the bone mass and the muscle strength. This youthful effect is primarily observed in the bones and muscles. There is an increase in spinal and femoral bone mass. Additionally, there is a gain in muscle strength. Next one, it would be the improvement in cognition. While physical development is important, cognitive abilities should not be neglected. Under the intervention of taurine, anxiety and depression in mice are significantly reduced, and memory is also enhanced. Lastly, reduction in inflammation. These experimental mice also show a decrease in immune cells in their bodies, indicating an improvement in aging-related inflammation. When researchers delved into the mechanisms of taurine's anti-aging effects, they were astonished to discover that it could precisely target nearly all aging hallmarks. To be clear, 9 out of 12. In terms of the cellular senescence, taurine intervention can improve reduction-induced cellular senescence. Taurine intervention does not affect telomere activity, but can reduce mortality caused by telomere deficiency. Other than that, supplementation of taurine significantly reduces DNA damage markers and even rescues some mouse lifespan from potent DNA-damaging agents like paraquat. Next one, epigenetic changes. Taurine can reverse the methylation levels of muscle and cerebral cortex in age related to a youthful state. And the next one would be related to nutrient sensing and autophagy dysregulation. Taurine not only reduces the activity of the mTOR pathway, but also activates autophagy in multiple organs. The next one, taurine can also reduce the inflammation-related factors. Stem cells exhaustion. Taurine increases the number of resident stem cells to enhance tissue regeneration in certain organs. The last one, mitochondrial dysfunction. Taurine not only mediates the reduction of reactive oxygen species, ROS, in tissues like the liver and muscles, but also binds with mitochondrial transfer RNA, forming an essential structure to maintain mitochondrial functions. And for the last part, we will provide you some guidelines for the taurine supplementation. The first one, exercise. In the study, researchers conducted a small-scale trial involving 4 groups of volunteers: sedentary individuals, bodybuilders, endurance athletes, and speed athletes. They did the same exercise test and measured their taurine levels. After exercise, the level of taurine increased in all individuals. Overall, taurine levels increased by 1.16 times. The next one, diet. When it comes to dietary supplementation of taurine, we can perhaps learn from cats. Cats lack the enzyme necessary for synthesize taurine in their livers and must consume taurine to survive and maintain good vision. Therefore, the food that cats naturally prefer is often rich in taurine, such as meat and fish, which are considered optimal food sources. While humans don't eat mice, other foods that cats enjoy like fish and poultry are also good choices. Shellfish, such as scallops, top of the list foods with highest taurine content, followed by chicken and turkey meat. Surprisingly, milk and vegetarian sources have lower taurine levels. Interestingly, even within chicken or turkey meat, there is a significant differences between breast meat and thigh meat. Breast meat is white meat, while thigh meat is dark meat, which is enriched with taurine and can contain over 20 times of the taurine content of white meat. And the last option would be from supplements and beverages. Apart from exercise and diet, there is the third option for taurine supplementation. In fact, some of the things we commonly encounter in our daily lives may already contain added taurine. Taurine is often added to infant formula. It is also added to some elderly and adult formulas to enhance nutrition. Taurine is also commonly found in various functional beverages. According to a 2016 study in the US, the average concentration of taurine in nearly 15 tested functional beverages was 3,180 milligrams per liter. Examples of familiar beverages including Red Bull and Monster Energy. Considering an average size of 25 ml, that amount to an average of 795 milligram of taurine per can, which is a significant supplementation dose. Moreover, taurine is considered a relatively mature and safe substance, with no significant adverse reactions reported in previous studies. Therefore, there are various taurine supplementations available on the market. The individual dosage of taurine supplements ranges from 20 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams, and the recommended daily dosage varies from 1 gram to 2 grams. So that's it for today's anti-aging substance, the taurine. Why not have a can of Red Bull to add some taurine? Thank you for watching today's video. Follow us for the newest information on aging. Bye.